So hey guys, welcome back to Slime, and today I got this baby bottle slime from Daiso. I opened the wrapping because it was already off. Someone already kind of opened it, but here's the slime. It's wrapped up and there's like a little charm in it.
Here's what it actually looks like.
Okay, so let's go ahead and open it. So it's in the back, and here's what it looks like. So let's go and open the whole thing. It's not sticky at all. It's really nice and clear. Make sure to get all of the slime. Okay, so I think I got everything. Here's what it looks like. So let's go and put it in. And it fills up the whole container. And it is so cute. And if you just like do that. And it is pink slime. It is so cute. Let's go and get the charm. Okay guys, so here's what it looks like. It looks so nice and pretty. It is so pretty. And it is so stretchy as well. I love it so much. So yeah guys, bye.